हेलो माय फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप लोग। तो अब हम फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स के जो आरजीपीवी के पेपर हैं, ठीक है, उसको देखेंगे। सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद द पेपर ऑफ जून 2022. Okay, so there are so many questions asked in the RGPV exam. So we start with question number 3 today. This question comes from unit number 1. Okay, so this question is from unit number 1. Okay, so let us see how we solve this numerical. Okay, so this numerical is from unit 1. Okay, so in this numerical it is given that the length BC is 3 meter and M is the midpoint of BC. The hydrostatic force on BC measured per unit width. Okay, so you have to calculate hydrostatic force on BC. Whenever, जब भी आपको कोई इंक्लाइंड सरफेस दी जाए, तो उस इंक्लाइंड सरफेस के ऊपर हमेशा फोर्स के दो कंपोनेंट होते हैं। एक होता है एफ एच और एक होता है एफ वी। ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज एफ एच? एफ एच वी सिंपली कैलकुलेट बाय यूजिंग द रिलेशन रो जी ए YC. Okay, for calculating FH, what we do, we project this surface on a vertical plane. Okay, and we calculate FH. Okay, हम क्या करते हैं, इस सरफेस को वर्टिकल प्लेन पे प्रोजेक्ट कर देते हैं और FH को कैलकुलेट करते हैं। एंड फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग FV, we calculate the weight of fluid over the surface. We calculate the weight of fluid over the surface. Okay, so for example, suppose हमारे पास एक सेमी सर्कुलर वॉल है, सेमी सर्कुलर प्लेट है, ठीक है, and this is attached like this, and we have water present over here, and someone is asked calculate the hydrostatic force FR. So this is an inclined surface, this is a curved surface, so we have two components, one is FH and one is FV. For calculating FH, what we do, we project this surface on a vertical plane. Okay, and we calculate FH over this plane. And for calculating FV, we consider the weight of the fluid which is present in this surface. Okay, हम इसमें weight कितना इसके ऊपर होगा, ये fluid कितना वेट ऑफ फ्लूइड इसके ऊपर ऑक्यूपाई होगा, वो हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे। तो सपोज ये केस होता, तो इस केस में वेट फ्लूइड का कितना होता, जितना ये सरफेस, देखिए जितना ये सरफेस इसको कवर करेगा उतना ही तो वेट होगा इस फ्लूइड के अंदर। ठीक है, जैसे कि सपोज आपके पास एक स्फेरिकल बॉल है, अगर आप उसको, ये सपोज वाटर में फिल्ड है, वाटर, इसके अंदर आप एक स्फेरिकल बॉल रख देते हैं, तो ये जितना इस स्फेरिकल बॉल कितना स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करेगा, जितना ये वाटर को यहाँ से डिस्प्लेस करेगा। ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैलकुलेट दिस। Okay, so for calculating FH, what we do, we project this surface on this vertical plane. Okay, so this angle we have given 60 degree and this length we have given 3 meter. Okay, so ये length हमें दी हुई है 3 meter. Okay, so what is the, so this is BC. So what is, suppose we take this point as O. Now what is this distance OC? This is C. So what is this distance OC? तो OC हमारा कितना हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा परपेंडिकुलर, ये बेस और ये हाइपोटेनस, तो OC अपॉन BC is equal to sin 60. Okay, so we get OC is equal to BC sin 60. Okay, now how we calculate this BO? BO is equal to हो जाएगा हमारा, let me, BO upon, so this is perpendicular, this is base and this is hypotenuse. So BO upon BC is equal to cos 60. So BO is equal to BC cos 60 और BC की वैल्यू हमें पता है 3 और cos 60 कितना होता है 1/2, तो ये कितना आ जाएगा 1.5 मीटर। ओके, व्हाट इज दिस OC? OC कितना हो जाएगा, BC की वैल्यू हमें पता है 3, साइन 60 कितना होता है √3/2. Okay, so it will become 3 √3/2. Okay, now we calculate FH. So this length we know, it is 1.5, and this length is 3 root 3 by 2. Okay, now how we calculate this? Now, how we calculate force on this plane BO? So force FH is equal to rho G A YC. Okay, now what is rho? It is given G being the acceleration due to gravity. ये क्या है? ये एक water है, ठीक है? Water filled है इसमें. This is a water. So density of water is 10 cube. We take G as G. We are not putting the value of G. Now what is the area? What is the area of this line BO? They have given the width of the plate per unit width. This figure is actually in this direction. This looks like somewhat looks like this. Okay, this is how it looks. So they have given the width as 1. Okay, this is they have given the width as 1. It is given, it is per unit width. Okay, so width is 1. So what is the area of this surface? Area of this surface is 1.5 cross 1. So area of this surface is 1.5 cross 1. Okay, now we calculate YC. Okay, so what is YC? YC is the distance of the centroid from this surface. So this height is 4. Let me draw it with another color. Okay, so this height is 4 and this total height is 1.5. So YC is equal to 4 plus 1.5 by 2. Okay, so this will become your YC. Okay, so YC is equal to 4 plus 1.5 by 2. Now what is 1.5 by 2 is 0.75. So it comes out to be 4.75 meter. Okay. Now we put here 4.75 meter. We calculate the value of FH. It comes out to be, um, just wait, let me solve it. Okay, so it comes out to be 7.12. 7.12 into 10 cube G. Okay, so we are not putting the value of G, but what is the value of G? G is equal to 9.81. Okay, so we can put G also. If you want to put, you can put G, but if you do not want, then you can keep it in the form of G. Okay, so it comes out to be 7.125 into 10 cube. Now what is FV? Okay, so this is FH. FV क्या होगा? FV हो जाएगा इसके ऊपर वेट कितना है, इस इस इंक्लाइंड सरफेस के ऊपर वेट ऑफ वाटर कितना प्रेजेंट है. ओके, so how we calculate that thing? Suppose you have a cylinder. This is a cylinder which is filled with water. Okay, now I asked you to calculate the weight at this point. What is the weight at this point? So how you calculate? Let me erase this. So how you calculate weight at this point? You simply, weight is equal to what? Weight is equal to mg, and m is equal to density into volume into g. Okay, so weight at this point comes into rho into v into g. Okay, now what is the volume? For cylinder, volume is pi r square h. Okay, but actually volume is equal to area into height. Okay, so what is fv? Fv is equal to rho v g. Okay, now what is volume? Volume is area into height into g. Now what is the area? What is the area of this is a trapezoid. Okay, so this actually is a trapezoid. Now what is the area of a trapezoid? So this height is 4 and this height is, this is 1.5, so this complete height is 5.5. Okay, so now what is the area of trapezoid? Area of trapezoid is 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides, sum of parallel sides into height h. Okay, so this is the height, this is height h. Okay, so these are the parallel sides. So let me mark with black color. These are the heights. Okay, so it will become 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides are 4 plus 5.5 into So this is 4, this is 5.5, and this height is 3 root 3 by 2. 3 root 3 by 2. Okay, so you put it here. Okay, so this is uh, okay. So okay, so this is the area. Okay, so area is this thing. Now what is the depth? What is the height of this? You can say what is the depth of this plane. Okay, so the depth of this plane is 1 meter. Okay, so in this case, actually the depth we take as a height. Okay, so uh, here the depth is 1 meter. Okay, so you can simply put the you can write it here area into depth. Okay, so what is the depth of this? Depth is 1 meter, so we can put all these values. So now what is fv? Fv is equal to density is 10 cube into g into 1 by 2 into 4 plus 9.5, it is 9.5 into 3 root 3 by 2, okay, into 1. We solve this and we get the value of fv. Okay, so fv comes out to be let me solve it. Okay, so it comes out to be 12.34 12.34 into 10 cube g. Okay, so this is fv, and this is fr, this is fh. So I am writing fv here. Fv is equal to 12.34 into 10 cube g. Now what is the resultant force? They have asked the complete resultant force. So resultant force is equal to under root fh square plus fv square. Okay, so what is fh? Fh is 7.12 into 10 cube whole square. Okay, so g is also present, but when जब हम g का स्क्वायर करेंगे, यहाँ पे भी g का स्क्वायर करेंगे, तो g को कॉमन लेके अलग से बाहर लिख सकते हैं. ओके, प्लस 12.34 into 10 cube का whole square. Okay, so we solve this equation and we get fr as let me do this. So it comes out to be 14 into, so it comes out to be 14.2 into 10 cube g. Okay, so this is the hydrostatic force which acts on the BC. Okay, so I hope you got this numerical. You like this numerical. Okay, so this is the first numerical we have solved today. And if you like this numerical, you can like my channel and subscribe it, so that when I upload other videos, you will get notification. Okay. So I have also uploaded theory of machine paper of June 2022. So if you have not practiced that paper and if you have any doubt regarding to that, you can check this paper also. Okay. And thank you very much.